Hello everyone, this video will go over how to manipulate the MIDI files. For those who created their files from scratch, you'll have a different MIDI file for each supernova type. When you import all the files into your DAW, I'm using GarageBand, the files won't be lined up. Check the timestamp value of the first note of each type in the modified data table, and adjust each track so that the timestamp matches. If you're using our provided files, we've already lined up the types. First, let's go over some example modifications to the tracks themselves. You can adjust the instrument of each supernova type. You can also play with the volume and pitches of individual notes or a group of notes. Another possibility is changing the tempo throughout the piece to add variety. Keep in mind that the more modifications you make, the less accurate it will be to the data. Next, let's go over music you can add on top. The first option is adding rhythm, which can create structure and patterns. There are a lot of different style and instrument options within the preset drummers. You can also modify the complexity of the patterns, instruments, swing, and fills to add variety. If you want to create a pattern not within the presets, you can manually add rhythm using the MIDI notes. Another option is adding chords, which create harmony and musicality. It helps to match the chords to changes in the rhythm and the sustained notes in the data to make the piece more cohesive. Finally, you can add different types of soundscapes. These are effects that create ambiance and the feel that you're going for. They include long sounds that play through the piece, pitched notes that can follow harmonies, and short sound effects. The last thing you can do is mix the piece to improve the audio quality. For panning, duplicate each track and pan one to the left ear and one to the right. This creates a sense of dimension. Another idea is adjusting the volumes of tracks using automation. You can also control the tone of the sound itself using these knobs, echo and reverb, and equalizers. These are all the ideas I have, so have fun creating!